Hello everybody, I'm Anna, I'm from Italy and welcome to Live Love Lang, the channel where we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad. From today, I will take you on a journey, literally, of me moving out the country where I lived for the past 3 years, which is Japan, during the global pandemic. Such a perfect timing to leave my job and move to another continent, you would say. Unfortunately, the visa laws are a little strict in Japan, so I only had 3 months to leave the country after I left my job on March 31st. And actually, I had this planned since January, so I had no idea that this would have happened, but now I'm here, so I have to deal with it, I guess. So this is the first video of a mini-series that I'm doing of me moving out from Japan during the global pandemic. And in this one, I want to talk about organization. How can I be prepared to face any problem that could arise from now until when I will be able to kiss Italian soil? Well, I can't. There are many things that I can't control, like flights being cancelled at the last minute. We learned that the hard way, but let's not talk about that for now. It's not easy, but I choose to concentrate on the things that I can control. So this is how I'm doing it. So first, I'm making a calendar grid with all the days that are left until my flight, and this will help me have everything under my eyes, and it will make me feel like I see everything that is going on. I'm in control, I can do this. I'm also using color coding for everything that I'm writing down, so everything is clear and easy to find and categorized. So for me, it's yellow for work, green for friends and boyfriend, red for the things that I absolutely have to do and I cannot forget about, and blue is for the flight. Second, very important, I want to make sure that I have enough time to solve any problem that could arise. So as you can see, I plan to do all the mandatory tasks 1 week before departure. So I have time in my last week to meet my friends, clean my house and take care of anything I could have forgotten without rushing. I also spread my mandatory tasks in time. I will only be doing 1, 2, 3 things a day, so I won't feel overwhelmed, and also so I can keep living normally in between tasks. Since I finally recently developed a morning routine and evening routine to take care of myself, I want to keep doing that because so no matter what happens during the day, when I go to sleep, I will feel like I have accomplished something that day. Also, I'm saving time for my friends and my boyfriend Kazuki. As you can see, I'm reserving entire days to meet them. I want those days to be like a safe haven from all the anxiety and stress that moving out is gonna be. And my friends are actually also helping me getting rid of stuff inside my house. And honestly, it's nice to have somebody to speak to, and it's essential for me to have practical and psychological support. Plus, I don't know when I will be able to meet them again and where, so it's important for me to just say goodbye and thank you in person. This 5th tip, it's more of a anxiety management tip, since honestly getting out of the house recently makes me very anxious. I wanted to jam in there also some stress relief tricks that I found work for myself. It seems stupid, but when I'm working outside, for example, I listen to lo-fi music, like really calm and soothing music, and maybe I will be counting the beats of the music or counting my steps, and this makes me feel better because my mind concentrates on another task. And actually another thing that I like to do is studying Chinese and Korean, since are 2 languages that I'm concentrating on right now, because obviously when I'm studying a language I can only think about that. It's hard to think about any other thing at the same time, so sometimes I would just like maybe count in another language or like think about some vocabulary that I learned recently, so I can snap out of the negative feelings. If you're interested, a good app to learn Asian languages is Lingodeer, and you can have 15% off with code LiveLoveLang, link in description. Alright, next video will be more of a vlog where I actually take you with me to do the stuff that I have to do, and hopefully I'll be home soon, so wish me luck and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!
That's it for today's video, and we hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you.
We produce these free videos with your support, so if you want to know how to become a Patreon, you can check the description down below, or you can search on patreon.com/livelovelang.
Get your free templates and vocabulary lists on our website, learnglobal.com.
Why are you waiting? It's free!
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, show us some love, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!